Boots on the ground, putting it down. Get up, get up. I got something to tell you. I don't think they want you to know, but I'm going to tell you anyway. Special researcher Mickey D. I host The Scoop. I want to thank you for joining me. It's a pleasure. It's an honor to be on your electronic device, aka the Baby Knockout Goat. Ladies and gentlemen, I want to wish all of the ladies out there, all the mothers out there, a happy Mother's Day. Tomorrow, my mom will be giving a message. You remember, she said she liked two areas of the market, and we'll see if she still likes those two areas. Ladies and gentlemen, we'll see. But I want to talk to you about a potential generational wealth opportunity here. You all know that there's been the electrification of the world, the energy is going to be needed more than ever. Energy's been linked to AI and Bitcoin, and we need more energy for all these areas and stuff. And we believe one of our baby knockouts, several of them, but this one we named a generational stock a long time ago. Why did we name it a generational stock a few years ago? Because they had the management, they had the money, they had the projects, they had all those things, fairly friendly jurisdiction. They had all those things that you want in a company that can go for a long time and last for a very, very long time. And especially in an area where we believe uranium, which is the fuel for nuclear energy, will be much needed. Now, uranium right now, there's a supply demand imbalance, as you guys know. We've been talking about this for the last 5-6 years. When we first started, wrote books and everything, how to invest in uranium now, that one, and marijuana today, vanadium and uranium tomorrow. Companies get an early hold and grow rich. These particular books are out there on Amazon.com. You get the audiobook, paperback book, or the ebook. But we've been talking about this for a very, very long time. And we know more energy will be needed around the world than ever. That's why a lot of countries are building nuclear reactors right now. There's more seems like every month there's another country, or every week, almost every day now, there's another country announcing that they're going to build out their nuclear energy supply system some kind of way, or they're going to do something. They're going to need uranium. You can't find uranium everywhere. There are places where there's a lot of uranium, but getting to it may take 10, 15, 20 years. We need this stuff now. In the next 2, 3, 4 years, we need uranium. And this particular company, with 428 million pounds proven and probable right now, is going to be in position, we believe, to deliver. Management has delivered before. We think they're in position to deliver again. And we think investors should expect growth for years and years to come with this particular company. Who am I talking about? Let's take a look at old John Borshoff. Oh, Johnny, you would like that. John Borshoff and Deep Yellow Limited. They have assets in two countries, Australia and Africa and Namibia, of which, ladies and gentlemen, it's a matter of time before they get these things rolling, and they're going to, with things like the small modular reactors coming on board, SMRs, there's going to be more and more uranium needed. There's going to be more and more of those type of businesses surrounding nuclear fuel supply, as America and Washington has piled billions of dollars into the industry. We have they'll be buying now with the Russian uranium ban. It looks like they'll be buying supplies from other areas like our companies that we focus on. But this particular company, ladies and gentlemen, I think has a long, long way to go. Let's take a look at it real quick. Remember, the scoop is for your education, your entertainment, your information only. Not a stockbroker, not a money manager, not a financial advisor. I'm an author, I'm a researcher. I put it in black and white so you have it for days, weeks, months, and years to come. So let's take a look now at, take a closer look at Deep Yellow. Could
This is our last visit with John Borshoff
and him running
Deep Yellow. This is what we said.
What better could you have here? And we thought this stock would do very, very well at 13 cents, and we backed the truck up. I'm giving the last call of Deep Yellow and other African uranium super trade stocks. Deep Yellow and several others are dollar last call at $1. Now we got into these stocks, a lot of them pennies.
Yeah, that was just a little while back. I did go on to say that 2024 would be the last year that we believe some of these stocks on our African uranium super trade stocks would be under $1. Some will go over $1, and they won't see that, maybe won't see that for a very, very long time. When you look at their projects, you see 428 million pounds right now. They could be getting uranium out of the ground for a very, very long time with reserve numbers like that. They're currently trading for like $1.67 in Australia. Ladies and gentlemen, when you go to their website, you see that they call themselves a mid-tier company, which they are, but they're building a global tier 1 uranium producer, which is going to be a powerhouse, ladies and gentlemen. Yeah, I'm going to leave their website in the description area. You'll be able to go and see everything that this company is one of the more friendly companies out there. They're really investor friendly, a lot of good information they give you. They answer all your questions, any questions you'd have. One thing I like about what the company did is early on, the CEO was looking for talent. He was looking for good people. This is maybe 6 years ago when I happened to be contacted by them. Not because I'm good or anything, but he was looking around for individuals. And I think he's got some of the best and the brightest in this business working for Deep Yellow. And when you have a great management team, sometimes that'll take you a long, long way. So I believe Deep Yellow being a generational play here for us. This is going to bring money into your coffers, we believe, for the foreseeable future, if uranium is an area that you want to invest in and you believe that they have the goods. But all indications are we're headed to nuclear energy, ladies and gentlemen. All indications are. And investors can expect continued growth from a company like Deep Yellow with all their big assets. We're talking about advanced projects in Africa and Australia. When you take a look at the top shareholders, JP Morgan, Citicorp, you've got a lot of institutional interest in this company. The CEO and the directors also have skin in the game. If you want to see their last quarterly report, their annual report, it's all there. One more test of this red line, the 48-day, and we believe we may be off to the races. The market cap is a little over $1 billion here, as you can see, 1.03. Ladies and gentlemen, can you do me a favor and hit that like, share, and subscribe there button if you're not a subscriber? Because we gain subscribers and then we lose subscribers and then we gain them and lose them. That's everything stays the same. You know, you don't really grow like you should grow. You know, well, new people come in, new people leave. For example, ladies and gentlemen, yeah, Deep Yellow is a company that we really, really like. It is $1 billion market cap now, but early on is we started a new combo trade. This was part of our combo trade a few years back. In the book Marijuana, this book right here.
Deep Yellow was $50 million market cap company, ladies and gentlemen, $50 million. And we told you, we backed the truck up. This thing was 12, 13, 14 cents. It's not there now. It's going to be $1. We've given our last call for $1 USD. We may go down below $1 once or twice more, but we're giving our last call. We believe before this year is over with, 2024, you won't see $1 again unless something drastic happens. You won't see $1 again for Deep Yellow. Are you going to be with us in our next billion? Because there's going to be another big B put on that, and the stock's going to go up higher. And this is generations, ladies and gentlemen, generations. And you can cash out when you want to, but it's really going to be one of those stocks that we're going to keep an eye on, like we have, like the others. Ladies and gentlemen, we do our fundamental analysis, we do our technical analysis, we knock on the doors, we do the phone calls, we go to the conferences. I'll be your eyes and ears at the conferences, and I'll let you know exactly what's going on with a lot of these companies. If you want to get the baby knockouts early and you want to get on our list here, just follow the information in the notes in the description area, and we'll make sure you hit us again and again and again, and we'll make sure that you get on that list. In fact, there'll be an update coming out here pretty soon. Our new combo stocks are starting to get their mojo right now, just like Deep Yellow, but they're small, just like Deep Yellow was. And just like some of the other combo stocks in there, I don't want to name any names. You may want to go buy you a copy, and you're going to have gold stocks, you're going to have vanadium stocks, you're going to have uranium stocks, you're going to have them all right there. And then when the tide turns, you're going to be right there on time, and the stocks are going to be right there for you. And you're already going to know, have a list of what you want to get from those stocks. Anyway, been a little long-winded. Once again, happy Mother's Day to all those mothers out there. We'll have my mom tomorrow. She'll tell us if she still likes those 2 areas that she said she liked here a while back. Love you. God bless you. Take care of you and your family. Have a wonderful, wonderful Mother's Day weekend.